Can you just start with briefly introducing your startup company and why you have decided to use AI?
Yeah, definitely. So first of all, thanks for having us here. It's a pleasure. My name is Francesco. I'm a CEO and co-founder of BotSupply, and what we are doing, we are building a new ecosystem for artificial intelligence. And the reason why we are applying artificial intelligence is because it's one of those technologies that are really here to disrupt the way companies, but also people interact with technology and with the world around us. So we really see a huge potential in creating an immense impact to the world through technology.
So how do you use AI in your company?
We use it in a couple of different ways. We are focusing on natural language processing and computer vision. So one simple, easy to understand application could be customer service automation. So whenever a brand receives a message from a customer, let's say, our engine can understand the content and automatically give an answer back to the customer. So when we talk about computer vision, for example, instead is about recognizing objects within a picture or a video. So the applications can really be endless. It really depends on what you're focusing on and what your customers are looking for.
So, which competences would you say are important to succeed with AI, both for your company but also for your customers?
It's a set of competencies that you need. It's not only the technology itself. We need to apply this technology in the real world. So what we see as a key skill that we need in order to help our customers is an understanding of the psychology and the user experience to really understand how AI can facilitate and speed up all the different interactions that we have, again, with a brand or with a general technology. So from our end is, of course, a matter of having AI scientists who really know the core of the technology, but also a deep understanding of the psychology of how final users are going to use what we build.
So, talking a bit about the perspectives of AI, what are you able to do in 2 years that you cannot do today?
That is a very good question. There is a lot of R&D that we are doing internally, and also other big corporates like Facebook, Google, and so on. One of the things that we think is very exciting is generative artificial intelligence, where machines are actually able to come up with their own answers to any given question. As of today, most of the times there is a pre-built data set of answers that a machine will provide back to you. I think it's going to be extremely interesting, fascinating, and somehow also risky in the future to see how these machines can actually come up with their own thoughts and ideas.
Okay. Yeah. So, a bit in relation to this, what are your dreams in regards to the technology's competence and possibilities within the AI world?
My dreams about the kind of skills that we are going to need in the future? No skills.
No skills?
No, I mean, I think that the final goal is that somehow far away in the future machines will actually be able to handle many things by themselves. So I think that the final goal might be a situation where there is little or no human interaction, and where the machine can handle the whole process from A to Z.
Okay. Interesting. So, what are the benefits to gain as a company using your AI?
Using our own AI, what we build in-house, one of the things that we really provide in terms of benefit to our customers is the understanding of Danish language. We are a Danish company, so that's where we started from. We know that many companies, the big ones, are not really focusing on these smaller local languages. So one of the major benefits is definitely the local understanding of a language, but also what we are building, as I said in the beginning, is a new ecosystem for artificial intelligence, right? And this means that we are trying to leverage and connect with AI scientists all over the world, and this is helping us to create a community of skilled people, of skilled AI scientists who can collaborate together with BotSupply on the technologies that we are building and delivering to our customers. So it's not only something that we do in-house, we are trying as much as possible to be open and to attract these very smart people who are everywhere in the world. So it's really about creating this network of highly skilled AI scientists, and I think that is probably the biggest advantage that we can deliver to our customers going forward.
Do you have any specific examples that you could elaborate on where you can see that you made a big difference from one of your clients or customers?
Yeah. For example, we are working with a local Danish non-profit organization, and with our technology, they are able to connect underprivileged women who have no money to actually book a taxi, because in Denmark it's extremely expensive, and through our solution we are able to connect these people in a chatbot Facebook Messenger interface with available drivers who are there to pick up pregnant women and drive them to the hospital. That is a kind of a social example. But otherwise, more in business terms, we see a very big automation when it comes to customer service automation. So a huge reduction in terms of responsive time to customer inquiries, and up to 80% automation of the answers that companies give to customers.
Okay, thank you. That was very interesting. So to end with, how would you define AI? This is a tough question, because there are so many definitions out there, and we might not know which one is the true one as it is. But if you can just give your take on AI definition.
The definition of artificial intelligence, it's a very tough question, and we define it as artificial intelligence. Another way to define it could be augmented intelligence, in the way that we as humans, we always build tools to augment our reach, our abilities, our skills. So as of today, I would probably define AI, artificial intelligence, as augmented intelligence, in the sense that is really helping us, even if it's still somehow early days, but it's really helping us in doing more in less time. But I'm also pretty sure that this definition may change maybe 2 years down the line. So I'll be happy to answer the same question in 2019 maybe. Let's see.
Thank you so much. That was a really interesting take on the definition. And also, thank you for taking the time for letting us interview you.
It was a pleasure being here with the Innovation Center. Thanks.
We are looking very much forward to follow you.
Thank you.